This is the brief on fixing a Mac that randomly restarts. Those frustrating out-of-nowhere crashes are usually caused by a major system error called a kernel panic. So, to fix it, we're going to play a little game of process of elimination, starting with the absolute easiest tweaks before hitting the last resort. First, let's look at basic software and your peripherals. You'll want to check for macOS updates, make sure your storage drive isn't totally maxed out, and boot your Mac into safe mode. That's just a special startup that stops problematic third-party apps from loading. Also, go ahead and unplug all external devices like USB hubs or drives. You'd be surprised how often a glitchy accessory is the actual hidden culprit. Second, it's time for system resets. You need to reset the SMC, which handles power, and the NVRAM, which stores memory settings. But here's the catch. If you have a newer Apple Silicon Mac, it automatically resets these just by restarting. Older Intel Macs, they require holding specific key combos during startup. While you're at it, jump into recovery mode and run disk utility first aid to patch up any corrupted files. Finally, we have the nuclear option. If those kernel panics keep happening, back up your data and completely reinstall macOS from recovery mode. Look, if it still crashes after a totally fresh install, you're dealing with a physical hardware failure, and you'll really just need to take it straight to an Apple store. Stop letting random crashes ruin your workflow. Start with simple unplugs and updates. Work your way up to a system reset and get your Mac back in business.